Hi sayers, good day. Welcome back to my channel. First of all, I would like to say thank you for having watched all my previous vlogs, most especially the first ever episode of Simon Cooks, where we cook one of the most favorite Pinoy meriendas of all time, and that is turon. And on that episode, we put a little twist on our turon. We made it ube turon. If you were not able to watch it yet, I'm going to put the link of that video above here. And for today's episode, we're going to have another merienda suggestion, and that is Puto Balanghoy with Bukayo. Yes, I hope that this will be a good suggestion for your merienda later on. And first of all, before we proceed to cooking this merienda, don't forget to smile, for smiling is more contagious than the virus we have around. And don't forget to say thank you for every kissing is a blessing. So let's get started cooking this Puto Balanghoy with Bukayo in 3, 2, 1. Let's get to it. First things first, we have to wash our Kamoteng Kahoy or our balanghoy. So there you go. After peeling our kamoting kahoy, we have to grate each piece here because it will be good for the texture of our puto balanghoy. So let's do it. Sayers, after 30 to 45 minutes of waiting and cooking our Putong Balanghoy with Bukayo, it's tasting time now. So, yan. Ito yung end product natin. Iman na natin. Medyo mainit pa siya. Actually, most pa nga. Yan. Actually, this dish is what I really liked when I was still a child, because there was one seller here near our place, and it's like nostalgic. And if you want to try this recipe, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and comment down below for other recipes. So this has been Simon for Simon Says PH. And thank you for watching. See you again on my next vlog. Bye-bye.